Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. We've got this gorgeous Mariana blue V8 DB11 coupe available on the timeless scheme. This particular car is a 2018 on a 68 plate and has done 5,300 miles from new, and as you can see is a beautiful colourway. Mariana blue is quite a cool colour actually. It's a bit more vibrant than the midnight, but not quite as bright as some of the more electric blues that Aston have done over the years. And it's a bit of an old school colour and has been around a fair bit of time, but quite unusual to see on new product. Would have been a costed option. This particular car, as you can see, has been done in a more traditional sort of finish. So we have the silver 10-spoke directional wheels on the side there, so these are a silver finish, and I think they look really nice, particularly with the anodized brake calipers behind. You can also see on the front of this vehicle we have the bright finish front grille along with the bright badges as well, finished off with the gloss black lower body package on the front. That moves through onto the side of the vehicle, so we have the gloss black lower body package, so the side sills and rear diffuser, and we have the bright finish side strakes, so actually making a feature of the side of the car on this particular DB11 is having that on the side there. We also have the body coloured mirror caps, but we do have a gloss black roof strake and a gloss black roof, so just to sort of break up the colour on the car, you've got black at the bottom, blue in the centre, and then black across the top. Clear rear glass. Privacy glass was not an option in 2018. And then moving you around the back of the vehicle, we have the smoked rear lights along with the bright finished tailpipe. So again, a more traditional sort of finish. You know, if you were looking at a late plate DB9 in say midnight blue, that would have smoked rear lights, but it would have bright finished tailpipes as well. So this is sort of almost resemblant of that era of VH car. So it's sort of a nice classic colourway. But what we'll do is we'll give you a bit of a run around and we'll also show you through on the interior. So the interior of this car is very resemblant of the exterior in its sort of its colourway. So we have a dark night interior leather with your seats which are matched to leather stitching. So we have the quilting and also the perforation on the seat. We have the DB11 logo on the headrest there, and we also have the optional leather headlining. This particular car as well, as I say, you've got the satin silver jewellery pack on this car, so that matches your grille, your tailpipes and also your side strakes on this car. So you can see there's a bit of a theme coming. Black piano trim inlay on your doors and also on your dash, finished off with a black carpet. And then you would then have all your usual DB11 refinements on top of that. But this vehicle is available on the timeless scheme, or do give us a call here at the showroom, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.